They thought it was just a cold. But here's what really happens inside your body. Imagine this. You're sitting at your desk, just a runny nose and a light cough. Nothing serious, right? But what you don't see is what's happening inside a war. Your immune system is in a full-scale battle against invisible invaders. One sneeze released over 100,000 virus particles into the air. And now, your body is mobilizing its entire army, with or without your help. In America alone, the common cold and seasonal flu infect more than 100 million people each year, costing billions in lost productivity and medical care. But here's the twist. Most people rush to the pharmacy. What they don't know is that some of the most effective defenses may already be in their kitchen cabinet.
Audio Jungle.
The cold that could kill might sound like an exaggeration, but every year, complications from what starts as a simple cold or the flu end up taking thousands of lives across the U.S. Most people think it's just a few sneezes, a mild fever and some coughing, but for many, especially the elderly and those with weak immunity, it can turn into pneumonia, severe bronchitis, or even heart complications. Understanding colds and flu causes symptoms and why we keep getting sick. Colds and influenza are both respiratory illnesses, but caused by different viruses. The common cold is usually milder, with symptoms like sneezing, sore throat, a runny or stuffy nose, and a mild cough. The flu, on the other hand, can knock you out for days, bringing high fever, muscle aches, chills, fatigue, and sometimes nausea. But why do we get sick so often? The short answer: a weakened immune system, seasonal changes, poor diet, stress, and lack of sleep. Combine that with exposure to airborne viruses in schools, public transport, or offices, and your body becomes the perfect host. Why natural remedies work? And often better than you think, unlike pharmaceutical drugs that target only symptoms. Natural remedies aim to strengthen the body's immune system from within, help reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and offer antioxidant properties. And here's the kicker. Many of them have scientifically proven antiviral and antibacterial effects. Let's explore the 4 most powerful natural allies against colds and flu, as used widely across American households today. Healing ingredients. 1. Echinacea. What it is: a purple-flowered herb native to North America. Why it works: Echinacea boosts white blood cell production, the body's natural defense army. Studies have shown it reduces the duration of colds if taken early. Form: capsules, teas, or tinctures. 2. Elderberry Sambucus nigra. What it is: a small dark berry used for centuries in folk medicine. Why it works: elderberry is rich in antioxidants and flavonoids that block viral entry into cells. It's also known to reduce the severity and length of flu symptoms. Form: syrups, lozenges, or teas. 3. Fresh ginger root. What it is: a pungent, spicy root known worldwide for its healing heat. Why it works: ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory and has antiviral properties. It warms the body, promotes sweating, and helps ease congestion. Form: sliced fresh in teas, grated in soups, or even raw with honey. For homemade chicken soup. What it is: the classic grandmother's remedy, and science agrees. Why it works: chicken broth contains cysteine, an amino acid that thins mucus. Warm fluids soothe the throat and keep you hydrated. The vegetables add vital nutrients. Form: hot soup loaded with garlic, onion, carrots, and herbs. How to prepare: step-by-step guide. 1. Immune-boosting elderberry syrup. Ingredients. 1 cup dried elderberries, 3 cups water, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 TSP cloves, 1 TBSP fresh ginger, grated 1 cup raw honey, added after cooling. Steps: simmer elderberries, water, cinnamon, ginger, and cloves for 45 minutes. Strain and let the liquid cool. Add honey and store in a glass jar. Dosage: 1 TSP per day for prevention, or 1 TBSP every 4 hours during illness. 2. Warming ginger tea. Ingredients: fresh ginger 1-inch piece, sliced. 2 cups water, 1 TSP raw honey juice of half a lemon. Steps: Boil the ginger in water for 10 minutes. Remove from heat. Add lemon and honey. Sip warm 2 to 3 times a day. 3 healing chicken soup ingredients. 1 organic chicken, or parts like thighs, wings. 2 carrots, 1 onion for garlic cloves. Celery, herbs, parsley, thyme, salt and pepper steps. Place chicken in a large pot with water and vegetables. Simmer for 2 to 3 hours. Strain and sip the broth, or eat with soft-cooked veggies. Powerful benefits backed by science, reduce duration of illness. Clinical trials show elderberry can reduce flu symptoms by 4 days on average. Less inflammation. Ginger and garlic reduce airway inflammation, helping you breathe easier. Stronger immunity. Echinacea stimulates immune cells, reducing infection risk. Hydration and nutrient support. Soups and herbal teas keep the body nourished during recovery. Final thoughts? Don't wait to get sick. Most people wait until they're bedridden to start thinking about healing. But nature doesn't wait. Herbs and remedies like these work best before illness strikes. When your body is still strong enough to respond, this winter, instead of rushing to the pharmacy, try building your home remedy cabinet. Add dried elderberries, stock up on ginger, keep organic chicken in the freezer, and brew Echinacea tea every week. Your immune system isn't a luxury, it's your life's front line, and the best time to protect it is now. Your turn? Let's talk. Question for you. What's the most effective natural remedy that worked for you during a cold or flu? Is it grandma's soup, herbal tea, or maybe a remedy passed down in your family? Share your experience in the comments. Your answer might help someone else heal faster. Thank you for watching from our hearts to yours. Thank you for spending time with us today. We wish you healing, strength, and vibrant health, no matter where you are in the world. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you never miss a new video on natural health and healing. New remedies and health wisdom are coming your way every week. Stay safe, stay strong, and stay naturally healthy.